In this video, I will show you how you can use Paint to edit the screenshots so that it can be representable to the clients. I will take screenshot of this window using shortcut keys. Open the Paint and paste it. My goal here is to show the custom UI ribbon tab to the client. What I'm going to do is use the selection tool and select this area. Now first select the bucket and then the color pickup tool. Pick the color and fill the white gap. Again, using the selection tool to select the Windows options and move it to the position I want. Using the selection tool to remove the unnecessary menu. Using the same technique, I will move my Desire tab to this location. My screenshot is ready to present it to the client. I will use Snippet tool to cut the exact area. This is the best tool to crop and save the files.